If you think YouTube only pays when you're monetized, think again. In this video, I'm going to show you the smartest strategy to earn your first $500 per month from YouTube, without ever joining the YouTube Partner Program. Pain point. Let's face it, getting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours takes time. For most new creators, it feels impossible. But the truth is that there's a faster, smarter way to start making real income. Reveal the strategy. The secret? Affiliate marketing. It's low risk, scalable, and perfect for faceless YouTube creators. And the best part? You can earn from your first video. Step 1. Pick the right niche. To get to $500 a month, niche is everything. You need to be in a category where viewers are already looking for tools or product. Some high-converting niches include AI tools, personal finance, productivity, content creation. These attract viewers who are more likely to click and buy. Step 2. Choose the right affiliate programs now. Find affiliate offers that match your content. Here are some great options for faceless YouTube. 11 Labs, AI voiceovers. Pictory, AI video editing. Canva, design and thumbnails. Notion templates. These pay well and are easy to recommend. Step 3. Create search-based content. Instead of chasing trends, make videos around what people are already searching for. Example: how to make faceless videos with AI or best YouTube automation tools. Use your affiliate tool in the demo and drop your link in the description. Step 4. Add clear CTAs. This is where most creators mess up. Don't just dump links. Tell viewers what to do. Want to use the same voice tool I used? Link is below. Grab my video editing template here. Make it simple and direct. Step 5. Be consistent and upload consistently and check which videos and links are performing best. You can optimize and scale from there. You don't need 100 videos. You just need a few that convert well. Mindset shift. You don't need 1 million views to make money. You just need the right viewer seeing the right offer at the right time. That's how smart creators win. If this video helped you, give it a like. And if you want more no monetization YouTube strategies, subscribe now. I break it all down, week after week. Links to the tools I mentioned are in the description. Start building your $500 per month system today and skip the monetization waitlist. See you on the next one.